बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू इंटेंसिव स्टडी। आज हम करंट अफेयर्स करेंगे सितंबर 4th वीक के। हम नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल तमाम अहम अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। आज के लेक्चर में हम जो भी लर्न करेंगे इसकी पीडीएफ फाइल आपको टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में मिल जाएगी, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में गिवन है। वीडियो को एंड तक देखें। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे न्यू हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलते रहें। लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। When Army Chief Kamarjaved Bajwa inaugurated the Center of Integrated Air Defense Battle Management on September 22, 2021, Army Chief General Kamarjaved Bajwa on September 22, 2021 inaugurated the Center of Integrated Air Defense Battle Management. There is a need for greater cooperation, integration, and synchronization to tackle complex and fluid future battlefield challenges, General Bajwa said on the occasion. Commander of Army Air Defense Commander Lieutenant General Hammouduzzaman Khan briefed those attending the ceremony on the functioning of the newly built air defense management system. China and Pakistan conduct joint anti-terrorist exercise J 2021 in which province? KPK. The opening ceremony of the Joint Anti-Terrorist Exercise 2021 was held at the National Counter-Terrorism Center in Pabi on September 23, 2021. According to a press release issued by the Inter-Services Public Relations, troops from the People's Liberation Army of China and Pakistan Army are participating in the exercise, which is part of Shanghai Cooperation Organization regional anti-terrorism structure. The JAT is being conducted to practice and master various drills and procedures involved in counterterrorism operations, including cordon and search, compound clearance, close quarter battle, and medical evacuation. As per the UN Food Agency, 16 million people in which country are marching towards starvation? Yemen. The UN Food Agency announced that 16 million people in Yemen are marching towards starvation. It also said that food rations for millions in the country will be cut in October unless new funding arrives. A high-level meeting on Yemen's humanitarian crisis was hosted recently by the European Union along with Sweden and Switzerland. The meeting raised about $600 million, with the US pledging an additional $290 million and the EU pledging additional €119 million. However, this still leaves $1 billion unfunded. Next है, which country was ranked as worst environment for internet freedom for the 7th year in a row by US-based Freedom House? China. China remained the world's worst abuser of internet freedom for the 7th consecutive year and failed to score a single point in the violation of user rights category. The ruling Chinese Communist Party is tightening its control over the state bureaucracy, the media, online speech, religious groups, universities, businesses, and civil society associations, and it has undermined its own already modest rule of law reforms. The report says Pakistan is also among the bottom 10 countries on the global rankings on internet freedom released by an international freedom advocacy group. Washington based Freedom House has published a report titled Freedom on the Net 2021. Which bank has won the World's Best Bank 2021 title given by Euromoney in its Global Awards for Excellence 2021? DBS Bank. UK-based financial publication Euromoney in its Global Awards for Excellence 2021 has honored DBS with the World's Best Bank 2021 title. This is the second time DBS Bank has won this title in 3 years. DBS Bank was also named as World's Best Digital Bank 2021, thus making it the first bank in the world to hold both titles at the same time. The next question is, when is the World Alzheimer's Day observed every year? On September 21. Every year, 21st September is observed as World Alzheimer's Day. This day aims to raise awareness about Alzheimer's disease, its causes, symptoms, and the ways to handle it. Alzheimer's disease is a brain condition that retards the memory and cognitive abilities of the affected person. It's the most frequent cause of dementia in older individuals, which may cause brain cells to weaken and die. Next one is the International Day of Peace is observed annually on which date? 21st September. The International Day of Peace, sometimes officially known as World Peace Day, is United Nations sanctioned holiday observed annually on 21st September. Next one is the 2021 Canadian federal election was held on which date? September 2021. The 2021 Canadian federal election, formerly the 44th Canadian general election, was held on September 2021 to elect members of the House of Commons to the 44th Canadian Parliament. Trudeau won a third time as Prime Minister. The next question is in the 44th Canadian general election, Trudeau won a term as Prime Minister, third term. Justin Pierre James Trudeau is the 23rd and current Prime Minister of Canada since November 2015 and the leader of the Liberal Party since 2013. The 2021 Canadian federal election, formerly the 44th Canadian general election, was held on September 2021. Trudeau won a third term as Prime Minister, though the Liberals were hoping to win a majority government to govern alone. The results were mostly unchanged from the 2019 Canadian federal election. The Liberals won the most seats as 159. Justin Trudeau is the leader of which political party? Liberal Party. Justin Pierre James Trudeau is a Canadian politician and retired educator who is the 23rd and current Prime Minister of Canada since November 2015 and the leader of the Liberal Party since 2013. Trudeau is the second youngest Prime Minister in Canadian history after Joe Clark. He is also the first to be the child or other relative of a previous holder of the post, as the eldest son of Pierre Trudeau. The recently announced Security Alliance AUKUS includes how many countries? Three countries. In the month of September 2021, US President Joe Biden, Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison, and British Prime Minister Boris Johnson jointly announced the formation of the Trilateral Security Alliance AUKUS. The US has also ruled out adding India or Japan to the trilateral partnership. This alliance is seen as an effort to counter China in the Indo-Pacific. It will also allow the US and the UK to provide Australia with the technology to develop nuclear-powered सबमरीन्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। आज का टॉपिक यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हुआ। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलते रहें। थैंक यू।